Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 2170.
Hello, and you are joining us in the Croft House with our first
hot beverage.
We are so excited to be having it.
Second, actually.
In the Croft House. We've had hot beverages since we've been here. Our lovely neighbours have been spoiling us and looking after us very well, but this feels like a special moment to be sitting in the Croft House at the window with a nice hot cup of tea and coffee, so that's exciting.
Our timber has just arrived, yesterday, and our neighbour, who's a top chill, which means top bloke, delivered it on the back of the front of his tractor last night.
Saved us so much work. We'd still be going getting it down here probably. Yeah. So that was such a
So we were digging around in the roof, and I've cut a rafter to go in. We've pulled one down. She was a bit soft. The nails weren't really nails anymore. They're more of a powder. So I'm excited to get a few rafters up and cut and in place.
We've had to pull a whole heap of slates off the roof, and they're Caithness slates, so they're very big. They're not like Welsh slates that are quite small. And they're heavy.
So
they're really heavy.
Pass them down to Fiona. She's had to take them from shoulder height, and
we're getting a workout. Now, update on the poo situation. We are almost done emptying out the Croft House of all the manure that's been in here.
Less than
just the smallest section, and we could push forward and get it done, but
we have 2 more days of sunlight. So we're going to push ahead and try and get it watertight. Just temporarily watertight.
Watertight, and then roof will have to be seriously attended to.
And when it starts raining, we can start mucking the rest of it out.
Work undercover when it's raining. But we have had the best weather since we've been here, and we're having a great time. It's been a massive learning curve because we've had to work out, with the help of our lovely neighbours, where to get everything, how to order it, how to get it here. We've had orders cancelled because we have the same postcode as the Orkney Islands, even though we're on the mainland. So there's been
but then they turned out not to be cancelled.
And now we've got a generator coming today that wasn't meant to be coming, and so it's all a big learning curve, but it's exciting, and the whole thing is really just one big adventure. So we'll keep you updated, and show us some love on our posts and on YouTube too. Thanks guys.